All right, so this question 1.1.3, we saw this one, it was inequality. With the inequalities, remember, you need to put every time you must have x in the brackets plus something close, and then you must have x first in the bracket, something close, whether it's greater than 0 or less than 0. The x must start first. All right, so what's going to happen here with this one here? We need to fix that one. That one says 3 minus x. So we rearrange the order. The order must be rearranged first. So that means you write the minus x first. You say minus x here. And then the 3 in the brackets, it does not have a sign, which means it's a plus 3. Put it in order first. Yeah. And then also that one of 7 plus x, put it in order. The x is positive. You write it as x. The 7, you don't see the sign. It's also positive. Put order first, and then less than the 0. Less than the 0. All right. I don't want the minus here. So what you do, you take out the minus for this bracket here, negative. So you put minus outside, whatever it's in the first bracket, because the x is the only one that was minus. You change the sign, it becomes x minus 3. Close the bracket. The other one remains the same because it was fine. And then less than the 0. Now, I told you this minus needs to go. That minus there. So you multiply or divide both sides by minus. When you do that, to get rid of that little minus there, you divide by minus, or you change the sign, that minus, and also the right-hand side. So everything will remain as it is in the brackets. You're having x minus 3. And then the other one, you've got x plus 7. The inequality sign, I told you, it changes direction when you divide or multiply by a negative. I said it in those videos, if you can go back and recall. We good, right?
Yeah, it's coming.
All right. Then the next thing I said, we solve for x minus 3, we solve for x plus 4. You want to write x equals 2 or x equals 2. But before we can do that, I'm going to remind you. We said when you see greater than here, do you see it's a greater than sign?
Yeah.
I said your answer will be like this. I'm writing it in blue. It's going to be x is greater than the big number. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, good.
I was studying.
Yeah, you're studying. Or x is less than the small number. Yeah. But always make sure the x starts first in the bracket. But that's why I was arranging it here. Now, watch now. For this first one, the one that I'm circling, x minus 3. When you solve for that one, you're going to have x equals to minus 3. Because when we do it one step at a time, we say x minus 3 equals to 0. You take that one there. You now have x equals to 3. And then when you do the one with the 7, you will write x plus 7 equals to 0. You take that one over. You've got x minus 7. All you needed to see was which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Positive are bigger than minus. So the 3, it's bigger. So that means when you come here to the blue, you'll say x is bigger than 3. That's the one I'm putting in a circle, that one there. And then x is less than minus the 7. That will be your answer. Also, I'm putting it in the circle. You got it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The only thing I emphasize here, all the time in the bracket, you want to put x first.
It's at the beginning, yeah.
At the beginning, yeah. If it was minus, you take out the minus for that bracket. and then you change the sign in that bracket. You make the minus to disappear. You reverse the inequality sign. That's it. All right. All right. That's good. Don't worry. We're still getting there. We're still getting there.